Hey, this is Doug from Doug and Nikki here in the outdoor testing studio. What a great place to test this cool 44-inch Brazy East Oak fire pit. This bad boy is 60,000 BTUs. That's a lot of heat, and winter is coming, so this will be perfect to hang out here on those cool nights, put our feet up, turn on the fire table, have a couple drinks, hang out with friends and family. What a great way to socialize. So anyway, what we're gonna do in this video is I'm going to assemble this, set it up, light it on fire so you can see what it looks like, and then I will give you a review of like the quality of it, what it was like putting it together, that kind of stuff, and then what the end product's like. And that will come in the form of a Doug score, which will be from 1 to 5, depending upon if I thought it sucked as a 1, or 5 if I thought it was awesome. I do need to tell you that this was provided to me by East Oak to do this review, but with no instructions. If this thing sucks, I told them I'm gonna tell it sucks, and if it's amazing, I'm gonna tell you it's amazing. So let's put it together. Okay, here it is. It was so easy to set up, put together. I have to say, their hardware is really good. Their instructions are great. Everything fits together according to the plan. It was really easy to do. I would have one recommendation for you. Make sure you have a really long screwdriver, because some of the angles, if you have just a basic screwdriver, it's not gonna work. So pro tip ahead of time, really long Phillips head screwdriver. Outside of that, super easy to do. Let's turn it on so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so that's the day look of what it looks like. I can tell you for sure, this thing puts out some serious heat. I think it's a great size, perfect for 4 people. You could sit here comfortably, have some crudité, some champagne for the beautiful Miss Nikki, or basic beer for me. All of it works around this table. That's super cool. The glass gives you like a nice safe distance. Obviously, you still don't want to touch it. It's going to be hot. So easily, this is definitely a 5 out of 5 on the Doug score. But what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to come back here tonight and we'll move it out in one of the pretty areas around the pool where it is going to live. And I'll show you what it looks like at night so you have a feel for that as well. Let's go do that night look. Okay, so here's the look. I have a little extra light on. This is what we affectionately call Party Cove here, overlooking the pool and the backyard. And this thing is just awesome. Okay, I'm back. I turned it into Inferno setting instead of like just calm, serene, hanging around. And I think you can see it a little better. How about that? So yeah, so I am looking forward to hanging out around here, probably not with it on Inferno setting, but how nice is this to come out here with the family when the holidays roll around and it gets a little cool out and sit by this fire table and share a little love. Okay, I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.